Okay, hello again. So what I'm going to show you today as requested is a couple of ways that you can anchor your resistance band when you're doing a range of exercises. I'm going to show you 2 upper body and 2 lower body. I'm going to use a loop band, but you can transfer this over to the non-loop band as well. So all of the bands that you guys are getting, you can recreate these. Okay, so the first one I'm going to show you is using a door. So things like your bicep curls, so you can get all the way back, getting that full range of motion, upright rows, upward press, everything. Use the door. First thing you want to make sure you're doing is when you're pulling, so the way you're doing the exercise is with the door closed. If you do it the way the door opens, you're just going to pull the door open. Yeah? So, what you want to do, loop it under, bring it round, and from there, bring it with you, close the door, and you're going to end up with a triangle like this. From there, all you're doing, turn away from the door. So like I said, you're pulling that band away from the door there. So exercise you can do with this, you can do your seated rows. Yeah, so nice and slowly, just like I showed you in the video the other day. You can stand up, facing away from the door, and you can do your bicep curls. Even holding it here, get your upright rows in. Yeah, so that's 3 upper body exercises that you can do with that. Just the big thing to remember with this one is make sure that you're pulling the door closed, you're not pulling it open. So the next one I'm going to show you is lunges. I'll show you lunges and I'll show you some squats as well. So these are 2 lower body exercises, massive ones. You're going to hit all the muscle groups that you want to hit in your lower body. Do these 3 exercises in a session, spot on. I'm also going to be sending you a lot of these in the programs in the future. So once you've got your hands on some of these bands, if you can just let me know, and then what I can do is start programming it in, and we can just hit the same kind of results you're hitting in the gym, but from the comfort of your own home. So, lunges. What you're going to do, grab your loop band like this. It's going to go underneath your front foot. Step forward into your lunge position there. I want you to wrap it around your hands, and that's where the resistance is going to come in. And from there, drop down into your lunge, hop back up. Down into your lunge, hop back up there. What that's going to do is give you that added resistance, just as if you were holding weights. Yeah? Same with squats. What you're going to do with it, have it beneath your feet, have that shoulder at the part, the slight turn there. You're going to be holding that resistance up there. If you want with this one, you can loop your hands through so it's like handles. Slight bend in your knees, hips back, then from there, drop in down into your squat, back up. Yeah? So down nice and slowly, back up. So all that's giving you that bit of resistance. With those as well, with the other bands, the non-loop band, you can recreate all of them. All I'd say with the door is just kind of have a play around with it, because it might loop underneath. But if not, tie it to things like your door handles. Exactly the same, bottom of chairs, tables. Tie them nice and tight. Easy. Yeah? Any questions, if you just mention them in the comments, any other requests, just let me know and I can get stuff filmed and sent out to you guys.